seat in front of you. And I want to tell you a moral story that gave me a great lesson. It is the story of a Prophet alayhi salam. He was very caring to his guests and was his habitual routine to eat someone not alone. Once he found a man was non-Muslim and he was unaware, so he took the man to his how to treat him. When the dinner was ready, he said to the man, "Start in the name of Allah." But the man said, "I don't know who is Allah." The Prophet was shocked. The Prophet was shocked and said, if you are not non-Muslim, you can go out. You are not allowed to sit, have dinner with me. And the rest